All right, now it's time to work in the profile screen. So before we work on the authentication, to check the authentications once we sign out, I think let's work in the profile screen first. Okay, so let's go back to the auth screen here. So what we do is, for now here, if the user is verified, again, let's just navigate to the profile screen, so that for now we are just working in the profile screen. Okay, now let me run the application. We know it's going to start from the sign-in screen, but now if the user is not verified, we're going to go to the verify. If he's verified, we are going to return the profile screen. For now, we will do this Firebase check later on. Okay, so let's wait. All right, so now that we have this, let's just log in quickly. Now we know that the email is verified, so we can we're gonna go directly to profile screen. Okay, so let's sign in. All right, now back in the profile screen here, let's work in the screen and then we'll do those checks later on. So for the profile screen, first what I want to do is I'm going to show you first how we can, because once we click here, it's just going to save this as the name of this profile. Okay, but what we want is when we click here, we'll save it to Firestore. So we need to access this action here when we click here. Okay, but before that, first let me install the packages that we'll need, because we also want to be able to customize this image. Okay, great. So for that, let's go back to our pub.dev. So let's minimize this and then get the packages that we need. So the first one is going to be the image picker. So let's get this image picker package. And then here so this is what requirements that we need. So first, let's go on installation, and then let's copy that. Same process, pubs.yml file, and then let's paste that. Then let's go back and do the configurations. So in the readme here, if we scroll down here, let's see. So for iOS, we need to do all of this. Add the following keys to your info.plist located here. Okay, so we want to add this permission for that and then describe the permission. Okay, so let's do that. So let's go back to our application and then under iOS, runner info.plist. Okay, so here what I would do is I'm just gonna move this down a bit, and then I will copy just this and then paste it here. So here, first of all, I will put let's minimize this permission. Okay, ns photo library description, then go back and then paste it here, and then I need to put the description here. Okay, so what am I gonna put here? Just say this permission is required to access let's say the camera. Okay, this permission is required to access the camera, and then what I'll do is I will just copy this and then do it again and again. Okay, so let me just put the other descriptions really quickly. So go back here, and then what's the other permission? So no, this one. Okay, I'm gonna copy that and then paste it here, and then here I'm just gonna put the description for that. So let me just quickly paste the things here. All right. Okay, so here there's that a camera description. I've put my description, then microphone, NS microphone usage description. There's a description. Photo library, there is a description, and then this one as well. Here it is. Okay, feel free to pause the video if you want to put the description that I've put here. All right, now all of this is just this permission, and this permission as well. Okay, so I've put 4 of them. There's this one, and then where's the other one? This one, and then this one also. Okay, so the other one is the speech recognition that I've put just in case we might need it. Okay, so that's the iOS, and then for Android, starting from this, we don't need to do any configuration. Okay, and then here this is just shows us now how we use it. We don't need this. Okay, so the configuration is done for this. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, we open up here and then go to, let's go back to the browser. Let's just minimize that and then search for another package here. This one is going to be the image cropper. Let's search for that. So we want to get this one. So yeah, this is the package that we'll use. Let's go to installation and then let's copy that. Go back so we can save this. And then let's paste that. And then let's go back again. So let's see if we need to do something here in the installation. So yeah, of course, for 100 how to install, we just need to copy this, add to crop activity in your manifest file. So let's go to our manifest file. We can close that, go to Android app source main Android manifest. So in the activity here, so inside the activity here, let's add that. Okay, actually even outside of the activity, we can just add it. It should be inside the application. Okay, after this we can paste that. So let's format this properly like that. All right, now let's minimize and then see what else is required. No configuration for iOS, and then that's it. So let's move on to the next package. Here we're gonna need the provider package. Okay, this is a package, one of my favorite Flutter package. So we need to install the provider. Let's go back. We can close the main activity and then paste that. And then we go back here. Let's look for what else. Let's look for image compress. We don't want to be sending network image compress. Okay, we don't want to be sending big images to Firestore. Flutter image compress. Okay, so we want to create this application that we can reuse most of these things. Okay, so we just want to make it future ready. We can use all these widgets that we are going to make in whatever application we want to make. All right, so let's paste that, and then let's go back. Do we have something that we need to do on installation here? No, it looks like we can just use it. This is going to be easy. And then also let's look for a path provider. We need that also. Let's install that. Yeah, this is the package that we are looking for. Let's copy this, go back here, and then paste it. All right, Now let's go back again. Let's look for what was cached network image. We want to catch the network images so that our application runs smoothly, which is let's use this one. So this one also, there's no need for installation instruction. We just need to get the package and use it. Okay, so let's go back. So this one works with cached network manager. So if we close it and then come here, we can see that we need the cached network manager. Okay, so let's get this image, this package as well, installation, and then let's copy this, then go back, then paste that. All right, I think for now we're just gonna need these packages for fully functionality of our profile and saving the data. For this is going to be for data storage. Not really data storage, like state management. Okay, so once we have this, let's click Ctrl S to save it. All right, okay, looks like we did not have any errors. I can't see the output, but yeah, looks like everything installed. We can close that and then bring back our application. Okay, the packages are installed. Now it's time to start working on it. Okay, but I'm gonna end this video right here. So this video was just mainly for installing the packages. In the next one, we'll start creating our profile screen and making all this functionality to work and creating other widgets. Okay, so thank you guys and see you in the next video.